Chicken Cacciatore with Carbone roasted garlic tomato sauce and DeCecco square spaghetti. Add 2 tablespoons of DeCecco extra virgin olive oil to a crock pot. Coat the sides and turn the crock pot to high. Season 3 diced boneless skinless chicken breasts with salt, pepper, and Italian herb seasoning. Add the chicken to the crock pot along with half red and half green chopped bell pepper, 1 chopped yellow onion, 12 ounces of sliced white mushrooms, 4 ounces of sliced Kalamata olives, 2 sprigs of fresh basil, and 2 sprigs of fresh parsley. Add a 28-ounce jar of Carbone roasted garlic tomato sauce. Add a cup of chicken stock to the jar of sauce and swish it around. Then add it to the crock pot. Give everything a nice stir, cover the crock pot, and then turn it to low. Cook for 4 to 5 hours. When the chicken is done, bring a pot of salted water to a boil and cook 1 box of DeCecco spaghetti. Plate the spaghetti, ladle some of the chicken cacciatore on top, garnish with dried parsley flakes, and you're ready to serve. The chicken is nice and tender and full of flavor. It's a taste of Italy in the kitchen tonight. Chicken Cacciatore with Carbone roasted garlic tomato sauce and DeCecco square spaghetti. It's going to be delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.